Hey everyone, J3B here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your rusty tools with CLR. In a previous metal detecting video, you guys watched me unearth this very, very rusty and corroded hammerhead. Well, today we're going to clean it. All you need is some CLR and a container to put it in. Seeing how corroded this hammerhead is, I think I'm going to let this soak for about 5 days. It still has a bit of the wood inside and its wedges, so I'm hoping we can free that up as well. Now, all we need to do is put the hammerhead right in the jar. I decided to go with a mason jar so I can show you guys the progress each day. Now, take your CLR and pour it in. I'd cover about half and then fill the rest up with water. Make sure it is completely submerged and then put the lid on. Now that day 5 is here, we're going to pull it out and get cleaning. Now after a little bit of scrubbing, we ended up having the hammer look like this. There's still some rust on it, as you can see, and a lot of pitting. This was really, really corroded. I think I'm going to do another bath on it later on and see if I can get more off, but it looks a lot better. I was able to get the wood out and get the tiny, tiny little wedge out. Now I'm going to continue to restore this hammer. I actually have a railroad spike that I'm going to use as the handle. So it's going to have a little short handle, but it's going to become a new tool for my garage. And don't forget to save your leftover CLR because this here is still good to go for another project. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this CLR rust removal tutorial. If you guys liked it, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Anyways, until next time, happy hunting and God bless.